Hi, my name is Bekah. Welcome to my video series, Everyday English, Every Day. Here we have authentic conversations so you can practice your English language skills. And this is our grammar edition. So that means we focus on repetition using real life examples to practice and learn grammar. You need to be consistent with your learning, so find at least 10 minutes a day to practice. So this is grammar practice, and we're going to use example sentences. We're focusing on the present continuous verb tense. The present continuous is the same as the present progressive. There are two ways to talk about the same verb tense. For a little more, we'll talk about speaking aloud. Okay, so to form this verb tense, we use two verbs. The first verb is the verb to be. Repeat after me. I am. You are. He, she, it is. We are. They are. Now, we can also use the contraction form. Repeat after me. I'm. You're. He's. She's. It's. Where. There. All right, so it's more common to use the contractions in conversation. You can use either. They're the same. Then we take the verb with the ing ending. So we have two verbs in this verb tense. For example, eating, dancing, running. Repeat after me. I am eating. I'm eating. You are dancing. You're dancing. They are running. They're running. Okay, so when the verb is normal, you just add ing to the end of it, like doing, going, talking, eating. Now, verbs ending in E, it's an irregular because we have to drop the E. When we drop something, it means we get rid of it. Bye-bye. Taking, leaving, arriving. No E in these verbs. Verbs ending in X, Y, or W, just add ing. So this is like normal verbs, right? So it's kind of the same as talking, eating, enjoying, studying, bowing. Now, verbs that end in a consonant, vowel, consonant, and the last vowel is stressed. The stress is on the last syllable of the word. Then we double the last consonant and add ing. For example, B, C, D, F, H, those are consonants, letters. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and we say sometimes Y. Those are vowels. So here, in our examples, swimming, consonant, vowel, consonant. Running, consonant, vowel, consonant. Pudding, consonant, vowel, consonant. Now, because these are only one-syllable words, the stress is on the last syllable. Now, happening, consonant, vowel, consonant, happening. The stress is on the first syllable, so we can't double the last letter. And then for verbs that end in IE, change the IE to Y and add ing. So if it just ends in Y, it's not irregular. If it ends in IE, it is dying, lying. Okay, now let's talk about when we use these forms. We can use this verb tense for actions happening in the moment, happening right now. Repeat after me. I am recording a video in this moment. He is walking to school. They are reading a book. She is cooking dinner right now. Okay, let's watch some video clips from some TV shows that are using the present continuous verb tense. Okay, have you ever watched the TV show Dead to Me? Let's listen to how she uses the present continuous verb tense.
I'm lying to him. I'm lying to everyone all the time.
I'm lying to him. I'm lying to everyone all the time. I'm lying. I am lying. Right now, all the time. What about the show Suits?
I take it you're celebrating.
I take it you're celebrating. You're celebrating. You are celebrating. He has a glass, a drink in his hands. He is celebrating.
All right.
What about Friends?
Ross, look. You're feeling a lot of pain right now.
You're feeling a lot of pain right now. You are feeling. You're feeling. He uses the expression right now, like in this moment. Okay, let's talk about when else we use this verb tense. We can use the present continuous for future decisions that have been planned. Okay, things that are going to happen, but you planned them. Repeat after me. I'm meeting with Joe at 5 p.m. We are leaving tomorrow morning. They are going to the beach this weekend. The plane is departing on Saturday at 11 a.m. The bus is arriving at 2 p.m. next week. So even though these things aren't happening right now, they're happening in the future, we can use this verb tense, but we do need some kind of clue word like next week, at 11 or at a time, this weekend, tomorrow morning. We also can use this verb tense for situations that change or develop over time. Repeat after me. The climate is changing. His English skills are improving. When something improves, it gets better. Their careers are advancing. When it advances, you get maybe a promotion. You go higher in your career. We also can use this verb tense for temporary actions. Repeat after me. I'm living here until I find a new place. Now, basically, this is something happening right now, right? The temporary action is going on in this moment. I am going to work by train this week. It is raining, but tomorrow should be sunny. All right, guys, it's important to speak aloud, okay, when you're practicing. Speaking aloud means that we can hear you. Don't just think inside of your head. Actually have the words, the English practice, come out of your mouth. Speak aloud. Talk to yourself. Ask and answer your own questions to increase your English talking time. the more you talk, the more practice you have, the more comfortable you feel. Record yourself, either a video or just the audio, just the sound. Do it once a week for 2 months to hear the changes over time. You need to reflect and think about your learning. All right, guys, if you like my videos, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. New videos are posted on Mondays, and these grammar editions are also going to be posted each week. So the plan is to have 2 videos each week. Comment below, ask me questions, and feel free to email me if you want to talk anymore, okay? Have a great rest of your day. I hope to see you soon. Keep up the great work. Bye-bye.